$92, back to another video. Y'all see the GoPro, y'all see what the title, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all know what we doing. Basically, I'm going to be installing the fuel pump on my EM1 Civic. It's right there. I got the AEM 342, or this is a 340. So let it focus, 340. Gonna be installing that. Been having some problems with the car. I'm not gonna get into it, but like I said, this is how you install a fuel pump on a 97 EM1 Honda Civic Turbo or NA. Here's how you install it. I'm gonna get the GoPro on the head going so y'all can see, and y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, as y'all can see here, we have the fuel pump. It's a little hot. I'm gonna be taking everything off in the rear. First you want to do is unplug the battery, plug the negative, hop in. This car is a little tight. Pull it up. Pretty much all the way off. I don't know if you guys can see that. What you want to do is take off all these clips. That's why I have my GoPro, because it's hard. So you want to take off all these clips. Let me try it. There it goes. There goes one. You don't need to take those two off. Need to grab a clamp, have a rag on hand as well. This is going to spit a little fuel. Push in. Let me see. Sorry, y'all. So push in and out. You will have some fuel coming out. Just do that. You'll be fine. And those are some bolts, 10mm bolts, if I'm not mistaken. And I need a clamp for it, or a vise. Not a vise, but I'm going to need some pliers. Take my clamp off. And just see, it is, what is this? 10 mil. Yep, it is a 10 mil. Take those off. I think it's about 8 of them, if I'm not mistaken. Snap. I am missing a bolt. I'm missing 2 because I needed to use them on something else. Okay. Damn, the fuel pump should come right off. And that is a fuel pump. I don't have another rag, but let me dump it out. Right out. Bam. Have those 2 lines right there. So I'm going to grab give y'all some light just so y'all can see. That's loose. That's not good. That's it, huh? Yep, I think that's good. Perfect. Put that down. Loosen it up. Okay. Too fucking small for this car. Okay. You guys probably won't be able to see. Bam. There we go. Now let's connect all these batteries. Prime it a little bit. Well, let me try to get this start, and I'll stay tuned. So y'all, I fixed it. It wasn't staying on, and I knew it was fuel, so this was off somewhere else in the fuel tank. So what I did was I redid all my work. Basically this popped off because I had to modify the bracket that it was on. So I bent the tongs so this could pop on, and then I bent it back on so it kept it in place. And now the car's running. So I got a bigger fuel pump. That's how you install a fuel pump on a EK97 Honda Civic. Sorry y'all. Appreciate y'all watching, subscribing, commenting. I'm gonna end the video, and we out.